Sonamurao amchio hainuhai o nanglaimani koktuma kasai fayuka Sonamurao bridge somaniwo Kwnwi Bodolni Bisingo kok bangai Butok anglaimungni jare Sakdukho Mankha Khoroksa bono Sonamurao sakam nogni jibi sakam nogo refer Khaijagwi koktumani bisingtwi sawimanka Sonamurao bridge somani amchio Bodol Kwnwi Bisingo kok bangai Butok ongkha yakti samung ongkha or Nanglaikha Butok angmani choprok laimani patimungo Sakdukho Mankha Khoroksa ulobono logi Sonamurao sakamnogo talang Nanglaikha poila aroni taisa jibi sakamnogo refer Khaijagwi koktuma o patimung kitingui belaike or Nanglaikha Sonamurao
Khulumka hasani lukurangno norgni bagai belekino kaham sep tubi feka St. Joseph Hospital West Nobadi Amtali Agartala West Tripura hasane fatara thaya karanyo hayung bermni Sakduk naikani sep nahari mano belekino rangkisha baino o hospital lo sarbrumno general OPD wo Sakduk naijago o hospital lo x-ray ki suti cough test khlairni bagai nangmosak sep sap tongo te test khlai rijago o hospital lo hatibar thugino eba every week no kisasuk chongjak salo burongni bemuk naikrung eba gynecologist surgery urology tei bukung khunjo totra naikrung doctor wo phai Sakduk naifeyo tei abo simia o St. Joseph Hospital lo talburumna Chennai ni specialist doctor of phai orthopedy neurology tei urology bemarogno phai naifeyo abno karibo o hospital lo latest technology bai dal bidal bemarogni operation facility bo tongo tei separate AC non AC room nawi Sakduk najugni sebo manthogo hake taita moleri tongsinai phaidi kaham hayong bemni Sakduk sebmana ni musungkhake eba tebasina musungkhake krungdi tolawo eba khamao roja kokduk number 7085256702 tekise kokduk number 9612998562
St. Joseph's Hospital, Agartala is a growing hospital with advanced facilities. The hospital started with minimum facilities in 2015 and from this humble beginning over past 10 years, it is slowly grown to 20-bedded hospital providing quality care to all sections of people at affordable cost. We provide best quality care to the patients. Our focus is to give holistic care to all who enter here with compassion and love. OPD facilities. General OPD Monday to Saturday 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Surgical OPD Sunday 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Wednesday 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. Gynec OPD Saturday 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. Ortho and Uro Specialist OPD monthly once. ENT OPD on call. Cancer OPD every month second Tuesday. We have inpatient facilities both for male and female and special rooms with AC and non-AC. OT facilities with post-operative ward and ICU care. Diagnostic facilities available in our hospital, digital X-ray, ECG and ultrasonography. And all types of blood investigations and urine tests are done here.
Khulumkha St. Joseph Hospital Agartala Omo Kaisa Kaham Hospital Oro Kaham treatment ungo operation facilities rok tongo every month Chennai ni specialist doctor hayo treatment khaipayo Kwnwi Hospital login sulai oro kisha rangbaino kaham treatment ungo all types of investigation blood test x-ray scan ungo 24 hour doctor facilities tongo tai bo kaham kai saimannani bagui tin hospital o khai visit khlaimano hambai।